How to change profile picture on Facebook Messenger. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Facebook Messenger app. And then from here, you just need to head over to menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you'll find your settings menu. Just tap on settings. And once you get here, you can switch it between your Messenger accounts, or if you want to change your profile picture, you can just tap on this camera icon right below your profile picture and another menu will pop up. You can either take an instant photo or you could choose from library. So I suggest you choose from library. Just click on it to open up your gallery. Once you've selected your image, just choose which part of the photo you want to show on your profile picture. And then you can just click on this done icon at the top. And now just tap on save profile picture and both your Facebook and Messenger's profile picture will be changed. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.